We are going to do a topic called multiplication by 5. Everyone knows 5's table is very easy. We all have learned it in school. But I would suggest there is even simpler thing which can help me do the problem even faster. What should I do? My common sense tells me 5 is actually a 10 divided by a 2. 5 is equal to 10 divided by 2. If I were to do this sum, I would simply put a 0 at the end of the number. A 0 at the end of the number. If someone asks me what am I doing, I will tell I have multiplied the number by 10. Then a 0 appears in the number. So first step is put a 0 at the end of the number. And then start dividing by 2. I believe 5's table is easy, but 2's table is even simpler. Let's try to solve it mentally. Let's start dividing by 2. 2 goes in 15 7 times. 1 remainder. My number formed now is 14. In 14, 2 goes 7 times. There is no balance. In 3, it goes a 1 time and 1 remainder. Now I'll take 10 as my one number and my final answer is 5. So what is my answer after multiplying this? 7715 is my final answer. If I were to do this, a sum shouldn't take more than few seconds. It should go this way. If you were to do fast, just put your thumb above whichever number you are doing. 1, a balance 1, 5, 1, a balance 7, a balance a 3 and a 0. So what is my final answer? 151773 is my final answer. The conventional method is the lengthy one. 6 5s are 30, carry the 3, 5 4s are 20, plus 3 23. It will take time. Knowingly, unknowingly, when we are doing tables, it eats up our time. And here we are trying to do away with tables. Simple, easy tricks. If I were to multiply this, 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 6 5s are 30 and 131, 6 4 5s are 20, it will take time. It's better I divide with a 2. My answer goes like this. Remember this, the last digit will always be a 0 or a 5 because the divisibility test of 5 says the last digit will be a 0 or a 5. So what is my final answer if I multiplied this number by 5? 110177310 is my final answer. Now let's try out this sum. In 1, 2 doesn't go. So I'll take 19 as one digit. So it becomes 9 times, 1 remainder. It goes 7 times, 1 remainder, 7 times. It goes 3 times, 1 balance is there. In 16, 2 goes 8 times, 1 remainder, 7 times, 1 time, and this is a 7. 1 balance, my final answer is this. If I were to use a calculator to check, my final answer would be this. No one can tell this answer is wrong because I have done it absolutely correct. Now let's do a sum together fast. Be it a 2-digit, 10-digit, 20-digit. If you are multiplying by 5, this trick holds good. My final answer is this. Okay, 6 and 5. This whole thing is my answer. 101255 is my complete answer. This trick works when I am multiplying with the number 5. Instead of multiplication by 5, simply put a 0 in the end and divide by 2. This is a trick on how to do calculations. But remember, a sum shouldn't take more than few seconds. When you are doing maths, people should appreciate your number crunching. They should tell, yes, you are doing well, you are having intelligence. We all know we are doing nothing great. It's pure, simple, common sense which we are applying to our benefit.